Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to check the recycle bin on your Samsung phone in 2025. Whether you've accidentally deleted a precious photo or an important file, this feature can be a lifesaver. Let's jump right in and make sure you're up to speed with the newest updates. First things first, grab your Samsung device. We're talking about the 2025 models here, which have some slick enhancements for better file recovery. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the home screen. Now, open the Gallery app. That's where most of your deleted photos and videos hang out in the recycle bin. Once you're in the gallery, tap on the menu icon. It's usually those three horizontal lines or a hamburger icon in the top corner. Scroll through the options until you spot Trash or Recycle Bin. Go ahead and select it. Boom! You'll see a list of your recently deleted items, complete with thumbnails and details. From here, it's easy to manage your files. If you want to restore something, just tap on the item, select the Restore option, and it'll pop right back to its original spot. Be careful, though, you can also permanently delete items from here, so double-check before you do. Oh, and a quick heads up. In 2025 models, Samsung has extended the default retention period to 60 days for the recycle bin, giving you more time to recover stuff. If you're dealing with other files like documents or downloads, switch over to the My Files app. Open it up, hit the menu, and look for the trash folder. The steps are pretty much the same. This consistency makes it user-friendly across apps. One more tip. If you can't find the recycle bin, make sure your device is updated to the latest software. Sometimes, features get tweaked with new updates. And remember, regularly checking your recycle bin can help you free up space and avoid data loss. Alright, that's it for this quick guide. You've now got the know-how to master your Samsung's recycle bin in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.